Welcome to another JPJ Discovery video. Today we talk about a question that we never thought before. Why do stars twinkle? Spoiler alert, actually, they don't. Look up at the sky on a clear night in a dark area, and the stars appear to twinkle. The concept is so well established that it's the premise of one of the most popular children's songs of all time. But what's the science behind this sparkly sight? What is it about stars that makes them twinkle? It turns out, twinkle, twinkle, little star, expression is not accurate. The honest answer is that the twinkling we see has nothing to do with the stars themselves. Rather, it's a result of how we see them from our perspective on Earth. Because stars are so far away, we see them as tiny points of light in the night sky. Starlight travels a great distance to reach our eyes on a clear night. After our own star, the Sun, whose average distance to Earth is 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers, the nearest star to us is Proxima Centauri, which is over 4 light-years from Earth. On the way to our eyes, this light from distant stars encounters Earth's atmosphere, the key driver behind the twinkling effect. So it's Earth's wobbling atmosphere that makes stars appear to twinkle. In space, high above the atmosphere, stars don't twinkle at all. That's one reason why the Hubble Space Telescope was sent into orbit. It could get sharper images of space without the images being distorted by atmospheric turbulence. Why some stars twinkle more than others? Many factors affect how much a star appears to twinkle. One variable is the star's place within our field of view. Weather also plays a role. Humid nights will also cause the air to be thicker, making stars appear to twinkle more. These issues help guide astronomers when they are deciding where to place the world's biggest and best telescopes. Observatories are placed in high and dry places to remove as much air between the star and telescope as possible. Ideal spots include the bone-dry Atacama Desert in Chile, or Hawaii, or the Spanish Canary Islands. These locations are examples of places with what astronomers refer to as good seeing. Thick air causing a lot of wobble or twinkle is bad seeing, whereas dry, calm, and thin air creates good seeing. When you look up at the night sky, you may also notice that some stars appear to shift between different colors as they twinkle. Sirius, the brightest star in Earth's night sky, is a classic example. Starlight gets refracted by the atmosphere a little bit, which can cause it to change color. You may also notice a few stars that don't twinkle at all. That's because they are actually planets. However, if you look at the planets, or even the moon, through a telescope, you'll still see them appear to shimmer, as the light you're seeing has been jostled by the atmosphere on its way to your eyes. Bottom line? Stars twinkle because their light travels through Earth's turbulent atmosphere, which is constantly changing in temperature and density. As the light passes through these varying atmospheric layers, it gets bent or refracted in a process called stellar scintillation, causing the star's position and brightness to appear to shift rapidly, creating the twinkling effect we see. Stars, being extremely distant, appear as tiny points of light, making them more susceptible to this atmospheric disturbance compared to closer, larger objects like planets. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for another video. Thanks for watching.